Welcome back to another quick guide. In this video, we'll show you how to turn off the iPhone keyboard sound. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Open the Settings app by tapping the gray gear icon. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics, or just sounds on older iPhone models. Move down to the bottom and look for the keyboard feedback option. Tap on Keyboard Feedback to open it. You will see two switches, Sound and Haptic. To disable the typing sound, simply turn off the sound toggle. If you also want to stop the vibration when typing, turn off the haptic toggle as well. Tap the back arrow to return to the previous screen. Your changes are saved automatically, so you can now exit settings. Open an app like Messages or Notes to check. Tap on the text field to bring up the keyboard and type a few letters. You should no longer hear any clicking sound. If the sound is still there, restart your iPhone by turning it off and then back on to apply the settings properly. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.